Some of the opportunities are how do we partner with fintechs? We were the first bank to launch API banking 4 years back, and we have 1,000 plus clients using API banking. The next 1,000 is going to be a lot faster for us as a bank because we'll partner with fintechs and grow scale together. We would like to look at trying to create win-win situations along with fintechs. That will see a lot of scale and growth. And traditional trade finance and traditional cash management will also be focus areas for us. We see SMEs as growing significantly in times to come. SMEs, logistics companies, education, health, these are segments that will see growth. So while there'll be growth also on the same time with SMEs, there will also be growth in other areas. Wherever you can add value to a client, you will see growth with that client. So you have to add value. You have to make life easier for its end customer. So if you can manage to make life easier for the end customer, the client's end customer, you will see growth happening there. Because ultimately, clients have to see value. So I will give a simple example of how we launched API banking for the first time. We did that in 2000, about 4 years back, where Snapdeal had a challenge on refund payments. So the way we structured it along with them is if you order goods on Snapdeal and you want to return the goods get inspected. As they get inspected and are found in good shape, you just click on an app called ClickPay. It triggers an API call, which is a connector with the bank, and the payment happens in 7 seconds. This can happen through IMPS 24/7 as well. And the reverse details update the ERP and the recon is complete. Even if you want to see it's your balance as per the bank book, you just need to say fetch balance, and a simple API call is done, and you can actually see your balance as per the bank book 24/7 as often as you need it. So we launched this, and then we have many other use cases. I'll give another use case because that might help people understand what API banking is. If it's a large automotive player, if a spare part dealer wants to transfer money, there are codes given to spare part dealers. When the money is transferred from his bank, the money hits the account real time of the auto player. It gets posted to the book real time. There is no manual interface. And there is an API call to the supply chain system, and the goods get released real time. So this is great from a customer service perspective. This is great from scalability perspective. This is great from risk management perspective, as well as ultimate productivity perspectives. So since then, we have moved from one Snapdeal client to 1,000 plus clients. We also feel now with the partnership with fintechs and open banking coming on the table, we will see the next 1,000 plus clients being a lot faster and quicker. So we're very positive on API banking as a solution to help our end clients. So we have, we pretty much, I wouldn't want to comment Snapdeal, I wouldn't want to specifically comment on clients, but we have good partnerships with most many e-com players. It just comes from many e-com players, many fintech companies. It all comes from the ability to partner with each other. Let's help each other. Let's learn from the fintech or the e-com player. Let's learn to be agile like them. They can learn something around risk management and service to the end client. So we can help each other and partner with each other. One more thing which is going to be very important in times to come is service. I see service playing a very critical role in helping the end client. So self-service will become more and more important instead of people calling people. And good service will always lead to high sales. So there will be many, as a bank, we will always innovate. We were quite bullish on blockchain. We did a we were an IPA for Vedanta. We did that through blockchain. We have many use cases for blockchain coming on the table. So we feel that is a technology of the future. There's a lot of work around e-tendering that we do on the government space. There's a lot of different clients that we have there. API, like I said, the next 1,000 clients on API are going to be a lot easier and a lot faster. But we will continue to partner with fintechs. Since this is a fintech event, I would like to once again highlight there are good opportunities to partner with fintechs and take transaction banking jointly to the next level.